Hello and welcome to Sparks and Volts. Today is an extremely special day. I am with one of the last hand-built M cars, the E34 M5. This one is 1995 and it's actually the 3.8 litre straight 6 engine 6-speed manual gearbox. This is a very rare car. This generation M5 only had 12,000 built across the whole world. So I feel extremely privileged today to be showing you guys this stunning example. For me, the 90s is one of the best decades for car design. This, along with the Mercedes E500 and SL, are just so drop dead gorgeous. This is the facelift version, so the grille's slightly wider than before. Look at those headlights. I mean, nothing to me screams more 90s than that. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Look at the alloys, staggered M alloys, beautiful wheels. This car gets so much attention that on the way here, I swear on my life, a guy in a brand new BMW M5 pulled up alongside us and asked my friend if he could buy the car. I've never been in a car that's appreciated so much by car enthusiasts. I absolutely love it. So other than the alloys, the only thing that gives it away from the side profile of the car is the side skirts. That is an M5. And of course, to the rear of the car, you've got that beautiful 90s spoiler. And just look at the exhaust. Stunning, stunning car. Now wait till you see the interior. How a car can be kept in this condition for 30 years is beyond me. It's like sitting in a BMW museum. Electric seats, electric windows, heated seats, cruise control. This car has so much technology for its time. It's unbelievable. This looks cool now. Imagine how cool this looked in the 90s. Now, what do you think of that for an engine bay? 3.8 litres, 340 brake horsepower. This car is legendary. The engine is outstanding. 6-speed manual in 1995. Now, to get that razor-sharp performance that M cars are renowned for, this car has individual throttle bodies that allows maximum airflow into the engine. Now, this car is also one of the biggest straight 6 engines that BMW M division have ever produced. Now, this particular car has AP racing brakes worth £3,000 and KW coilover suspension to make it more for the track and more of a driving experience. Right, I think that's enough of me admiring the outside of the car. Let's hop inside and time for me to drive this beauty. Driving, the first thing you notice is really stiff clutch, really stiff gearbox. It's a performance car, don't let it fool you. It might be a saloon at the end of the day, but there's very little luxury about this motor. This is for drivers, mate. This is for putting your foot down, taking the back out a bit. You know, you could do some naughty things in this car. So I'm with the owner of the car, my good friend Rob. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, Enjoying it.
Thank you so much for letting me drive your car today. I'm in bloody love with it, as you can tell.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
So, you know, talk a bit how you purchased the car, you know, where you found it, etc. Because I know you traded a car.
Yeah, I traded my baby for this car. I built a BMW E30 pretty much from the ground up. 325i.
So that's even older than this.
Yeah,
just to clarify, that's 80s, right?
Yeah, late 80s.
Yeah.
And it, I done a lot to it. You know, I made it real nice, but I kept it original. And lucky I did keep it original because a 55-year-old guy took a real liking to it once we got chatting one day, and he told me he had this, and obviously I always wanted an old M car, so it's almost like I manifested it, you know. I was always wanting an old M car, and one day this guy come along and he saw my passion for like cars, and obviously I told him the story behind my car, and he
fell in love with it.
He loved it.
Straight swap.
Yeah, and he just went, look, I think you're a great guy. He's like, I know you want how much you want an M car, and I like your car too. So you know, let's do a swap. And I was like, yes.
Sorry, mate. What's your favourite thing about the car then? You've had it for how long now?
I probably owned it for about a good part of 9 months now.
Okay.
My favourite thing by far is the engine. It's also scary because it's so complicated, but that engine is something else.
I just love how mechanical the car overall is. There's no driving aids in this. There's
nothing. There's literally nothing,
you know, it's just driver and machine.
Yeah.
Shifting. Oh my god. Red line.
Smashing the red line.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Woo! Right, okay. 340 brake does not sound like a lot, guys, especially to modern standards, but this car, I mean, modern cars have a lot of technology to help you on the roads, yeah? This car has none of that, just man and machine, and believe me, 340 brake when you've got nothing helping you is enough. I mean, would you agree, Rob?
I would say so, yeah, bloody hell. It can send you into a tree if it wants to at any time.
Yeah, mate. I mean, I don't know the brakes that well. Obviously, has it got ABS?
It hasn't got ABS, actually.
Well, yeah, so, you know,
yeah.
I don't want to take the piss too much because I don't want to kill us both, but, I mean, yeah, guys, this car is great. If you're in the market for one of these, A, I'm jealous of you, and B, you know, you're gonna love it. This is a proper driving experience, I have to say. For me, I prefer a car like this, which is, it's almost like a go-kart, just engine, throttle, brake, clutch, and go. Nothing else. That's all you need. I love the heavy steering. I love the fact it just loves to be wrestled, you know. But again, because it's not my car, I'm not doing 100% of what it can do. Oh my god, I just power slid for the first time in my life, I think. Oh. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've enjoyed my insight of what it's like to drive this rare, beautiful, stunning car. I hope I've somewhat transitioned what it's like to drive this car. And if you've liked the video, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon.